The ultimate gardening cheat sheet, 10 genius hacks every green thumb should know. Create nutrient-rich compost at home. Balance greens and browns, keep moist, and turn weekly. Microbes create nutrient-rich humus that improves soil health. Mulch to lock in moisture and deter weeds. Apply 5 cm organic mulch to conserve moisture, regulate temperature, suppress weeds, and enrich soil as it decomposes. Recycle coffee grounds for nitrogen boost. Use thin layers of used coffee grounds to add nitrogen, improve texture, and attract worms. Avoid thick, water-repellent clumps. Sprinkle crushed eggshells for calcium and pest control. Blend dried eggshells into powder for slow-release calcium. Larger fragments deter slugs and reduce blossom end rot. Steep banana peel tea for potassium-hungry plants. Soak chopped peels for 48 hours to obtain a potassium-rich liquid. Dilute it and drench the base of roses, tomatoes, and cucumbers every fortnight. Water during the cool dawn window. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation, hydrate before the heat, and encourage deep, dry foliage. This also encourages deep roots with infrequent soakings. Install drip irrigation for efficiency. Install drip lines or soaker hoses with regulators and timers. Deliver consistent moisture at the roots, reducing disease and waste. Pair plants with smart companion planting. Combine complementary species. Basil deters pests, marigolds suppress nematodes, and beans fix nitrogen for corn. Arrange mixed groupings. Build pollinator-friendly habitats. Plant continuous blooms, provide shallow water with stones, preserve bare soil patches, and avoid broad-spectrum pesticides to attract pollinators. Practice annual crop rotation. Rotate families annually, heavy feeders, then legumes, then roots, then leafy greens with compost to balance nutrients and prevent pests.